This is the Pallof press in a split stance, which is a progression to the standard Pallof press. You're going to once again need a light to medium resistance band with handles or tube, or you can use a cable system if you have access to one. You're going to need an anchor point if you're using a tube. You can use a heavy piece of equipment. You can use a web slide if you have one. You can use a squat rack, anything that is stable, that will not move when you put resistance on this band. Our anchor point is going to be in the same spot. It's going to be about mid-chest level, straight out to your side, perpendicular to you, a little bit out in front of your body. We're going to take the leg closest to our anchor point and we're going to put it forward. We're going to step back onto our opposite leg and we're going to be on the toes only. And then we're going to sink down just a little bit into the hips. We're going to root that forward foot in. We're now going to take our handles. Once we've got the foot rooted, we're down into the hips. I can already feel my left hip engaging. This band is wanting to pull you towards the anchor point. And again, Pallof press is all about core control, stability of the lumbar spine. So we're going to take our handles to the sternum. We're going to keep our spine locked in a nice neutral position. And once again, we will press straight out, not deviating off the sternum. We're keeping the knee over the heel. We're maintaining our posture perfectly as we increase the load in the Pallof press. We're going to pull the belly button in. We're going to grab into the floor with that front foot. We're going to make sure we're not leaning, bending, twisting, or sacrificing our posture at all as we put load on the left oblique system. Belly button in, I'm grabbing into the floor. I feel my left glute engaging. Hold for a 5-second isometric before you return back in. And of course, you'll want to make sure you do that on both sides. And that is how you perform the Pallof press in a split squat stance.